Today, I'm reviewing the BSIDE SH9/SH7 series thermal imager digital multimeter, a powerful 2-in-1 thermal camera and multimeter available on Aliexpress, designed for professionals and advanced DIY users. This device combines an industrial-grade 25 Hz thermal imaging sensor with a high-precision 20,000 count digital multimeter, making it ideal for HVAC maintenance, underfloor heating leak detection, power system inspections, electronics repair, and industrial troubleshooting. The BSIDE SH9 features a 256 by 192 thermal sensor, upgraded through super resolution to display 320 by 428 pixels, delivering clearer thermal details. The SH7, on the other hand, uses a 96 by 96 sensor, enhanced to 320 by 320 pixels, suitable for general diagnostics at a lower cost. Both models include a 3.98-inch capacitive touch screen with 15 color palettes, dual light fusion with visible light, and an adjustable emissivity range for accurate temperature readings from 20 degrees C up to 550 degrees Celsius. For current measurement, the SH9 and SH7 require a flexible coil to measure up to 2000 A, while the SH9A and SH7A can measure up to 10 A directly using multimeter probes. An optional macro lens allows you to capture tiny details as small as 1 by 1 millimeter, perfect for PCB and smartphone motherboard inspections. With up to 8 hours of battery life, Type-C charging, PC software support, and 7 language options, the BSIDE SH series offers excellent value for professionals looking for accuracy, portability, and versatility.